Okay guys, I got a little update on the go-kart, and I got some parts in the mail. Can't really see it, but down here I got my throttle linkage kit hooked up and put on. And I got my brake disc on there. I don't have my caliper mounted yet, but I'm planning on doing that soon. I got my pedals in the mail. And I got these 2 throttle and brake rods. My throttle cables. Here, I'll take these out of here. Hold on. Okay. I didn't know the throttle cables didn't come with the plastic casing. So now I gotta order that separately. So it's gonna take longer to get my throttle cables hooked up. And the throttle rod I'm not using, but I need to get my caliper mounted. And I got this right here. This goes over the caliper arm. And hold on guys. I got this little pin right here. This pin goes, well, once this is on the caliper arm, you put the pin through here. You put the pin through there, and it holds it on. And you put this little, hold on. And you put that little cotter pin on there, and it holds it on. Not real sure what this is for. Just this random spring. I got a little wire clamp. These are guides for the throttle rods. I'm not gonna use them. I got these 2 little metal things. I have no clue what these are for. None of this came with like directions or anything. Then I got this, which I think that's just a cable guide. Cable guide. But yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff put on here. And then the cart will be done. Well, it'll be done once I get the floor put on. But that's all I have to do. Until then, bye.